Okay. Okay, class, look how beautiful this looks like. I am in awe of such color, such beauty. It's gonna start sizzling soon. It's gonna taste amazing very soon. Notice everything's just gonna incorporate. It will not taste like Prego. Everything, like I said, brings its own flavor to the dish. So just stir it. It's gonna sizzle for a while. It's gonna be so amazing. Because it's a big pot, sometimes I'm in a hurry. And sometimes you guys are too. This is why I love my big pot, you guys. It doesn't matter how much food you're cooking. It holds as little as like a cup or two. All the way to 10 cups of rice, which I have made. In fact, I made some yesterday. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn on the back burner as well. That's why I like my big pot. I get to turn on both burners at the same time. So there it goes. If I need something to boil quickly, that's what I do. That's what I'm about to do because I allotted 1 hour. That's 1 hour to this project. And it's probably as long as it'll take you as well. You're going to notice that this won't take very long. The next thing I'm going to do, you guys, if you look at the handout, is I'm going to add salt. You can add it to the water, you can add it to the sofrito, whatever you're comfortable with. And you might be wondering why you need salt. Salt brings out all the flavors. And it gives it like a good, the perfect touch of flavor, of salt content. That sodium's important. So if you look at the handout, it says that it's the amount of cups of rice minus 1. So it's exactly what I'm going to do now. The amount of cups, which is 3, minus 1 will be 2. So you don't have to fill it all the way, you guys. All you have to do is get 2 teaspoons of salt. It doesn't have to be filled all the way. Here's the one I used for the ago. I'm going to put it right here on my stove. I'm just going to fill it. Well, not all the way. It doesn't have to be a mountain or anything. Let me see how I maneuver. I should be playing some Dominican music, some bachata in the background, but I want you guys to stay focused, okay? Don't get distracted. So here we go. This one. It's right there. And every time, here's a little tip or trick, you guys. Every time I pour the salt, so in case I get distracted by my son, I make sure that I let it land somewhere else. Not where the first